Hi Christine, Andrew here from Lexus. I just wanted to shoot you a quick walk around video on the 2021 UX premium package that we've been discussing. Just had it washed here for you, just so you can kind of see it in greater detail here. Like I said, it's a one-owner vehicle. This actually was my demo vehicle here, so I know it better than anybody. No accidents, always dealer service, just over 13,000 kilometers. So on the outside here, you've got what's called Nori Green Pearl, and on the inside is what's called Birch. Beautiful inside interior. It's a light gray color. See here, there's the nice birch on the inside. Really nice. Keeps it nice and cool during the summer. And then you've got the rear cargo liner that's in here as well. And then those seats will fold down completely flat that way. Really incredible fuel economy on this, with being the hybrid, and does not require premium fuel, just regular fuel, so you're good that way. Again, no real marks, dings, dents, scratches, anything to speak of. Sunroof up here. There we go. Again, there's that nice birch there, and then the darker dash. So 2 sets of keys, heated seats, cooled seats, heating steering wheel, remote start through the key fob and the Lexus app. So just all in all, a great vehicle that way. So anyways, just wanted to have a closer look at the UX for when you come down on Monday, and looking forward to seeing you again. Thanks, Justine. Take care. Have a great weekend.